Happy New Year, everyone! It's Kat, and welcome to 2026. If you're a tax preparer or you want to become one, this year is a special year. There is a huge opportunity out there. Today, I'm sharing the 5 resolutions every tax professional should make to have the best year ever. Resolution number 1. Create a repetitive system. Don't reinvent your workflow every season. Build templates, checklists, onboarding scripts, and processes you can use over and over again. Your future self will thank you. Resolution number 2. Stop doing everything manually. Use automation, use AI, use software integration. The less time you spend on administrative tasks, the more time you spend helping clients and earning profits. And earning more, learning more, having a better time, you can fall in love with your career again. Resolution number 3. Price with confidence. If your skill increase, if your workload increase, if your value increase, your pricing should reflect that too. No hesitation, no guilt. Resolution number 4. Learn new entity tax return. S-Corps, if you don't know, or C-Corps opens the door to higher value work. Do tax advising now, not just tax preparation. Once you master this additional skill, your earning potential changes instantly. If you want to grow in 2026, this is a skill to learn. Resolution number 5. Build a freedom-based tax season, tax business. That means planning ahead, setting boundaries, not accepting every client, and creating a workflow that lets you work from anywhere, even from New York City cafe if you do want that. So here to your best tax season ever. Let's make 2026 the best year and let's grow together. With love, Kat.